Hi guys! Today's video is going to be a raw vlog type kasi mag-wear test tayo. And I can't remember the last time na nag-wear test ako. Parang, I don't know, a year or two maybe? If you've been following me for quite a while or a very long time, you know that I love to do yung mga individual wear tests. So for today's video, I am going to wear test yung bagong product ng Detail Cosmetics, which is their Power Lip lipstick. And it claims to be really powerful, like transfer-proof, long-lasting, and really pigmented. And it's quite expensive than the usual products na nilalabas ng Detail Cosmetics, because this retails for 399 pesos. The packaging actually looks really nice and sleek. It's matte. And dito sa ilalim makikita mo yung shade. By the way, the shade that I got is in Maraschino. Well, in English, it's Maraschino, but in Italian, it's Maraschino. So, I really have nothing on my lips. Kind of smells good. It smells cosmetic-y. Maraschino is probably an ode to Maraschino or Maraschino cherries. So this is a red lipstick na may orange undertone. Hindi siya like yung blue tone red lipstick na nakakaputi yung teeth. So yeah, let's see how long this will last on my lips. Okay guys, here's the thing. So I kissed the back of my hand. Kung yung like smack, it's totally kiss-proof. Pero kapag ka merong konting side by, like pagilid-pagilid, nudge, ayan, it will come off. Pag yung pag ganito, oh. Ayan, it will smudge. Pero pag yung ganyan lang, wala. What you think about that? So while cooking lunch, I'm going to eat cinnamon. Cinnamon and coffee heaven. Day, tinapay pa lang yun, day. Unang kain ko pa lang, day. Blech. Alright guys, ako'y maliligo na, and this is the final look of our lips. It does feather out a little bit. Hi guys, so it's already the next day and I just finished filming a video for you guys. So, final thoughts ako sa Detail Cosmetics Power Lip lipstick. Okay, dun muna tayo sa pros, of course. So first of all, it is a powerful lipstick. I mean, compared dun sa mga ordinary cream lipsticks, if you know what I mean, yung mga lipsticks na, you know, like Maybelline lipsticks, or yung mga creamy lipsticks na madaling burahin, madaling matanggal. Of course, this is much powerful than that. Kita nyo naman sa wear test, yes, transfer-proof siya, kiss-proof siya, pero to some extent lang. Hindi siya 100% immortal for me, if you know what I mean. It is transfer-proof kung wala ka masyadong gagawin sa lips mo. Pero kapag ka kumain ka na, asahan mo, it will move. And then pag nag-dry na ulit siya after mo kumain, it's gonna go back to being transfer-proof. But then again, it's not 100% transfer-proof. It's probably around 70%, 70 to 80% transfer proof lang. So, okay to gamitin. Let's say kapag ka ikakasal ka. Syempre, you may kiss the bride. So, syempre, paghahalikan mo na yung husband mo, hindi naman kayo magtutukaan, diba? So, parang really, really cute, romantic kiss lang. Yon, maganda gamitin to kasi hindi siya magsa-transfer sa husband mo. You can also use this for coffee dates, tea, you know, milk tea dates, yung mga inom-inom lang. Pero yung mga bardago lang kain, I wouldn't recommend this because it's not gonna last that long sa mga samgyup, sa mga hot pot, sa mga higup-higup, sabaw-sabaw, ganyan. This is just going to be like an ordinary lipstick for me, based on my experience. Sa mga baso, sa mga cups, sa mga ganyan, hindi siya mag-transfer. Pero pag kumagat ka ng tinapay, ng sandwich, or ng pastry, ganyan-ganyan, malalagyan yon. Pero kung tinidor-tinidor ka lang, we're good with that. Basically, what I'm saying is, kung wala ka talaga masyadong gagawin, of course, it's going to be long-lasting and transfer-proof. Pero kung magaslaw ka, makain ka, mainom ka, napapasabak talaga sa bardagulan yung bunganga mo. This is not like, you know, hindi pa rin siya ganun ka-powerful for me kapag ka ganon yung lifestyle mo. Sa mask, kapag pawising ka, at kapag ka mahilig kang magagaganon, anong tawag sa ganon? One of your mannerisms, licking your lips, oh good God. Mag-transfer siya sa mask mo. Tsaka pag pawisin yung dito mo, oo, ayan, mag-transfer yun. Basta pag nabasa siya, oo, mag-transfer siya. Pero pag alam mo yun, dry lang talaga. Dry all day, o pati yung gagawin mo, pupuntahan mo, kasi you know, walang basaan and all that. Transfer proof, kiss proof. For the price point of 399 pesos, 400 dye for a lipstick dye. Hindi ko naman siya masasabi straight up na I don't recommend it. Of course, mara-recommend ko siya for, you know, specific occasions or situations gaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Pero for me personally, with my lifestyle, with the way I move, and with the way I eat, oh my God, this is still not going to, you know, work well for me. Lalo na kung 400 pesos siya. Parang ang mahal niya for its capability. For me for me lang naman dahil matipid akong tao. Pero kung mayaman ka, marami kang budget, sige go, collect mo to. Siguro, I might get one more shade. Kasi meron ako nakita maganda parang nude shade. Depende, tingnan ko muna. Gamitin ko muna ulit. Tingnan ko kung kumbinsi ko yung sarili ko. Anyway, I did my best na to show you the capabilities of this lipstick. You decide na for yourself, okay? Bahala ka na if you're gonna buy it. Para hindi mo ako masisi. But anyway, so yeah, that's it for our first wear test of 2024. Comment down below guys kung meron pa kayong gustong ipa-wear test sa akin, lalong-lalo na yung mga lip products. At lalong-lalo na kung, you know, it's within the budget. Hindi ko sure kung mapagbibigyan ko pag like, you know, sobrang mahal. Like, let's say 700, 800 pesos yung lip chalk. Ay, wait, depende. Sige, i-comment nyo below, okay? And I'll try my very best para mapagbigyan kayo. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button para alam nyo kapag nag-upload ako. Utang na loob, 2024 na. Nakasubscribe ka na ba? Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!